Actually, the United Nations has come up with a model code of anti-corruption, and particularly in government and in procurement. And this anti-corruption convention is a UN convention. That means all signatories have to follow these rules. India is not yet a signatory. So I think it is very, very important that India should sign up for this convention. What happens is that this convention has been prepared by a number of countries sitting together for a number of months and going down step by step as to the procedure that has to be followed to make sure that purchases, particularly public procurements, are very, very transparent. The issue primarily comes out, where does it happen? The issue primarily comes out of government. Government purchases things or government allocates natural resources, and that is where government is in a position to seek rent. And these procedures will ensure that this rent seeking is avoided. How do private companies, which are ethical companies, even in India, tackle this issue? I know of a company where they are buying every day close to 100 crore worth of stuff, and they do it entirely by transparent bidding on the internet. You do it in the internet, you purchase, that means the lowest tenderer, etc. Immediately the purchase happens. In Tamil Nadu also, I know some officers have attempted to bring this e-tendering into several departments. One small way. I don't say that this is the only solution.